Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we treat the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up the master on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but do nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Romain, stop it. Leave me just alone. We need to talk. Come here, sit here so make me talk.
Susie, please don't do this. I'm a lonely man. Why are you denying me?
It's not that, Romain. The doctor said that I should not have sex until after the baby born. So me have to follow what the doctor say. I'm a the professional, you know. I him know, and if him say me not have sex until after the baby born, me not go have sex, Romain.
Susie, why would a doctor tell a woman that? I have never heard that before. Susie, are you attracted to me?
Baby, nobody said that. Baby, I love you. You are the best thing that have ever happened to me. Romain, listen, let me explain it to you. Romain, the doctor said me cervix thin. And any rough movement, me I go lose it, baby. Of course, me attracted to you. Come on, Romain, me attracted to you like magnet attracted to iron. Nobody said them things there, but me have to protect myself too. You think say me no want sex too? Me and you want sex too, you know, but me still have to wait and a sacrifice.
All right, I'm going to be gentle.
I mean, that's not how it works. Lord Jesus, me just feel so stressed. You just have pressure me, and you not believe what me I say. You think I lie, me I tell you. Romain, me not have no reason to lie to you. And when your doctor tell me, now, me sit down in the office, and me ask him over and over and over. Me say, doctor, you sure? And him tell me yes. So, boy, me so stressed out, me don't know what to do.
Okay then, just take off your clothes and let me jerk off, please.
Oh my God, that is so nasty. Why, Romain, me don't like them things then. No, man.
Susie, will you ever compromise? What role am I playing here? To be honest, I feel like the joker in the pack.
You are my man, the father of my unborn child. You are the love of my life. Romain, it's only you alone me have, and you alone me think about. Romain, I love you.
I don't see or feel that love. Susie, do you want us to see other people?
Romain, I'm just uncomfortable with my body now. If you take my clothes off in front of you, look how me fat. Look on the stretch mark them. You not even can see them. Romain, me uncomfortable. Please understand, no, baby.
Susie, go home. Your mother is waiting on you.
Romain, no say that. Romain, I love you.
Susie, I said go home.
Pussycat, how time? Jesus Christ. Susie go kill me. Me can't believe me drop asleep.
Bingy, you can't lay down with me little man with the baby. Gosh.
Natasha, me live with my woman, your best friend.
But you're there with me too. Why you can't understand that? May I be your mother too? Plus, I want the KFC. My mind the funny from last night. I used to go buy it this morning.
Say $500 there. Go buy it. Me have to go.
Ross, I me alone sleep last night. So your dirty bingy not come in. No, man. Watch me and in clot. No, man. This a joke. Let me call Natasha. Me have to go tell Natasha this.
Hello? Girl, what's up?
Natasha. Boy, me have to laugh, cause you know what, this not really, me just have to laugh. You know, say, the one dirty bingy start up back with him foolishness.
I want to know, Susie.
You know, say, the one bingy no come home last night. I must get up early and gone. But the door still locked, so me know him no come in. I do, me not even know what to do. Me don't know what to do at this stage.
You can bet say a girl you are the dirty drunk for the day.
there? When for there for no girl yard in the Natasha? If I no girl yard in there, the most man yard in gone. I mean, no man yard in gone. So some girl yard bingy gone.
Who you have on the phone and call up my name, Susie?
Bingy, where you come from? You think me a ramp with you? You think so you can come give me bun like how you give me bun all them time there me I go take it? No. At 2021 now, so if you think so them any bun I go on this year, you know go you go left me please. Natasha, the boy just a step in at the house. 9 o'clock in the morning, I have this big grin pan him face like say him win a prize. How will the blood clot this? No man. Somebody hold me, please. Somebody please hold me. Bingy, where the fuck you come from?
Give me this. Hang up the Ross phone. What you a tell that bitch them my business for?
Oh, you mean who me have on the phone? And Natasha, me a talk to me, a tell her about your blood clot, dirty ways them.
How much time if you tell her me not like Natasha?
Bingy, please give me my phone. Cause you don't know how my phone buy. Bingy, give me my phone. Where boy I go with my phone?
Natasha, may I hang up the phone? Sorry, me will call you later. Susie, see your Ross phone there.
Bingy, why you have a road? Bingy, you know me not stay with you. Bingy, me not stay with you. Me say me not left you. God come. Bingy, you really gone. Go sleep with you man after you say me there, me pregnant. And you left me with me belly and gone and road. Go sleep with you man. Bingy, you're so rose wicked.
Where you a go? You don't see her breed. Try go lie down and cool yourself. Cause Barry, I over me yard me did there. Me did a drink some liquor and pass out. You did want me drive come home and crash and dead?
Alright, dirty Bingy, since you are gone man, you'll go pass out. Me I go gone man, you'll go pass out. Yes, me I go call Barin, and me I go gone yard. Yeah man, and me I go pass out, and me I go come in tomorrow 9 o'clock. Me want pass out too.
Call him. Me not stop you from calling. You take me for a liar. Susie, why me would I lie to you? Boy, oh boy.
Keisha, Jesus man, you get fat. Look on your belly. My girl, you're fat.
Yeah, me ready for pop at any moment. Look how me broad, like me I carry triplet.
Keisha, what do your face? Oh, your face looks so black and blue.
Nothing. Me slide and drop down the stairs. The pregnancy make me get weaky.
No, sir, that job the serious. No, man, a job couldn't beat up your face, so. This tear give you a horse.
Susie, please. I don't even want to remember it. It was a backside drop.
Keisha, you sure I know your baby father beat you up? If he might beat you, you need to go to the police station and report it. You see how much woman body them are find in a bush and all kind of gutter. So if a man a beat you need to talk the truth. If you don't want to tell me, go down to the police station and go make them know.
Susie, me can't take care of myself. Me say me drop down the stairs. Leave it alone, no man. By the way, you did not tell me where you want.
Oh, you have any red work in there?
Red Dork. What name, sir?
You don't know red work. Red work are where people use on the floor. You red. You know red like blood. My grandmother used to use it when me little.
No, but your house not tiled out white. Why you need red work?
Later, me tell you what me want it for. Anyway, me have to go home now go cook it then dinner. Tomorrow me talk to you. Oh, tomorrow me and you and Natasha can go shopping.
Alright, tomorrow. Susie, I hope you not bring Natasha go shopping. If I know you and me, I am not going.
Keisha, you and Natasha fit top live like pussy and dog. Listen to me, man. You know I go like say no have something in common. Hello, shopkeeper, me again. You can sell me 2 buckler red work. Me want the rich one them. The one them before you start diluting with water. Me will pay the difference, please.